Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Little Friday, otherwise known as Thursday, and happy Twin Day. Tomorrow's pajama day, so you don't have to change to go to school. Good times. I hope everybody is having a great week. As always, thank you for being here, and thank you for doing what you're supposed to do and fighting the good fight. Today's book talk is an amazing book. It is called Unwind. It's by the same author as Scythe, which I did a book talk on a couple of weeks ago. So this book is really interesting, has lots of really good action, lots of twists and turns. It's science fiction, and so it's set in the future, and it's about a time where abortion is illegal. However, when a child becomes 13, their parents can choose to have them unwound. And when you are unwound, that basically means that you're killed and that all of your body parts are harvested for transplants and things like that. And it sounds a little gruesome, and it is, but it's really, like I said, an interesting concept. So yeah, and there's other ways that you can be unwound too. Like if you are a ward of the state, so kind of like an orphan, you were born to parents that couldn't take care of you, then the state can choose to unwind you. Or like I said, if you're just kind of a naughty child, your parents can unwind you anytime between the ages of 13 and 18. So anyway, it's a series. I've only read the first book. I do want to read the others, but I have so many books I want to read. But anyway, so I highly, highly recommend this book for just an interesting action, well-written, just all-around great book. And again, that's called Unwind by Neal Shusterman. I have about 3 copies in class, so if you are interested in that, then send me an email. I am planning on going to Ike tomorrow and teaching from our classroom, so I will be putting all books that people have requested into the office tomorrow. So you'll be able to pick them up maybe tomorrow. If you can get there in time, I'll email you as soon as they're ready, or next week. But if you have any requests, go ahead and send them to me because I'm going in tomorrow. All right, so today we are continuing with our article of the week. Okay, so again, here's the article, How a Typical Teen Did Something Not So Typical to Help Street Kids. These are the instructions, and then we're going to be answering questions using the RACE method today. So there is a handout on that. Also, your homework is to watch this short video on another everyday hero. You're going to answer the 2 questions using the RACE method in the Otis AOW assessment. And I saw that a lot of you have gotten started with your summaries, which is awesome. And then you're going to read for 25 minutes a book of your choosing. As we watch the video on Florence Todd and continue to work on the How a Typical Teen article, this is your essential question that I want you to keep thinking about that will go also into next week. Why do some people possess the character or drive to help others? Okay, so just think about that as you go about your homework for our class, watching the news, observing real life. Okay. So, with the multi-paragraph reflection, yesterday we wrote the objective summary, which is the first paragraph. Today, you're going to be writing the middle paragraph or paragraphs. I do think you should probably put them into each a different paragraph, each question. And then you're going to answer the questions at the bottom of your multiple choice quiz. And as I told someone yesterday, you don't actually have a quiz. That's something I do when we are in real life school together, but I'm kind of simplifying things since we're online. So you just have the 2 open-ended questions. Make sure to use the RACE formula to answer the questions. And make sure also to highlight direct quotes from the text. And this is in your middle paragraphs, but anytime throughout your reflection, you're going to highlight direct quotes from the text. All right. So when you answer a question using the RACE method, you're going to restate the question and answer the question. And right here, I put a note that R plus A can be combined into the same sentence. Basically, this is just you answering the question in a complete sentence. Okay. Then you're going to cite evidence. You're going to take something from the text that shows why your answer is correct. It supports your answer. Then you're going to explain the evidence or elaborate on your answer. Okay. And that's in your own words. So, really, every race answer to a question will be at least 3 sentences: R and A together, the C where you cite evidence, and E explaining the evidence. Okay. It could be more, like if your explanation was a little bit longer or something like that. But any race answer to a question will be at least 3 sentences. Okay. So, your 2 questions for today are: James Okina helped street kids in Calabar attend school. Do you think this makes him a hero? Why or why not? Okay. And then the next question is: in the text, the author describes James Okina as believing that attending school can help change the lives of street kids in Nigeria. Do you agree with this? Why or why not? Okay. So you'll answer both of those questions in their own paragraph. And you'll answer them on the assessment assignment, whatever, the assessment in Otis, okay, that I put in there Tuesday night. So at the end of today, you should have 3 chapters: your objective summary, and a paragraph answering, I think I just said chapters. You should have 3 paragraphs. The objective summary is your first paragraph. This right here is your second paragraph, and this right here will be your third paragraph. Tomorrow in class, we will go over how to write your opinion paragraph one more time, and then you will do that as well. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a great day. Good things are coming up. It's a 3-day weekend, and then next week we start having shorter days, so you have more time to work independently in the afternoon, and you're not on a screen all day, which is amazing. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. You're amazing. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.